Good morning, guys. We are going to work now. Yeah, it is 5:30 in the morning, and this is how it is. It is already bright like this. During winter, 5:30 is really dark. This time of the year is spring here in Australia. That is why it is like this now. If you notice, the color of the sky on that side is really good, beautiful. Yeah, sun is rising. It is very calm at the moment. There's not so much wind. The temperature is a little cold. Actually, for me, it's cold. Whoa, sun is rising on that side. Beautiful. And my duty today is 6 o'clock. Oh, whoa, look at that. There is wallaby. Whoa, he's unlucky. Maybe hit by a car. That is unlucky. Yeah, my duty today is 6 o'clock, and yeah, I'm doing breakfast. That's 6 to 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I'll finish my duty and will be free for the day. And tomorrow I'll be working at 2 o'clock. It's like day off later on. It is very quiet this time. All you can hear is just the birds. I feel like dancing in the music that I'm hearing right now. Yo, good morning guys, good afternoon. Yeah, I just finished my duty, 2:30 when I sign out, and this is how it is today. A little bit windy, and yeah, really nice for me, I would say. The wind is not really cold. Instead of going home, I'm going first to the shopping mall because I'm going to buy a slipper, atong, flip-flops, or chinelas in Filipino, because my one is already broken. Oh, look at those. I don't know if they are free or they're going to throw in the garbage. Some of those are still useful. Yeah, you see that shoes that I'm wearing? That is coming from here, one of these. Yeah, this is the one actually. And it's it's $49 if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, looking at it is in good quality. Yeah, there's so many here. I don't know which one I'm going to take, but for simplicity I'll go for this one, or this, or this. And if you see this robe, yeah, I have this. This is really nice and really comfortable. My one is another kind, but looks better than that. I am done with Kmart. Now we are going to Aldi. You know, whenever I'm coming here, I always check first the daily special that they have. You know, they are just 99 cents. Yeah, nice. These tools also. No, not 99 cents, but yeah, they're affordable. But I don't need. And I'm just going to take this. Yeah, this is the favorite, This is like a wafer, chocolate wafer. Oh, I'm also going to take one of these. Yeah, this is vitamin C, calcium, magnesium, and zinc. And another cheap thing here in Aldi is this. The noodles here, 6 pieces, is just 99 cents. You can see that. Also this migoreng noodles is just $1.39. If you go to Woolworth, this maybe cost around $4 or $3 if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so I'm going to take one of these. Ah, no, no, just this. This time, this is just $1.99. Pringles, huh? This is, yeah, this is addictive. I'm going to, no, I don't like.
Uy, ano?
Bakit wala?
Day off ka?
Hindi, tapos na. Kakatapos ko ng duty ko.
Saan ka galing? Gusto ko, dito naman. Bumili ka?
I am going to buy a coffee here with the donut. Yo, I got this. This just $5.50. Yeah, a cup of cappuccino. I think it's large, and 2 pieces of donut. And the sun is there. We're going to sit here first. You know, sitting down here is really, you know, it feels really good to sit down here. The sun is not really that hot. It's just right. I feel it. And you know, it's good. As you can see, even those couple, they are staying there under the sun. And there are people there. There are palm. Oh, sorry. It's blurred. Need to wipe it a little bit. Okay, now it's clear. Yeah, I'm having a cappuccino here. Yeah, that's the last sip. I'm just going to throw this in the garbage bin and I'm going home. Yo, this is the bed of Rafael. Oh, it's organized, nice. And this is my bed, not organized. Yeah, I'm day of today. I already went to the grocery this morning while Rafael is sleeping. It's already 12 o'clock. Rafael is now at work. He started 12 o'clock. Yeah, just now. He left at around 11:30. And yeah, I went to the grocery this morning. And I bought this. And I also bought some soup. This one is creamy mushroom with bacon and herbs. 3-star rating. 4 packet. Yeah. And some other things in here. Yeah, I'm going to marinate this with something. I don't know. And this I'll keep in the chiller. Oh, I'm hungry. I'm going to later on. I go first to marinate. Yeah, this one is the, you know, the pork that I cooked like 2 weeks ago. I put in the freezer and I'm now defrosting it again, and it's going to be my lunch later on. Later on I'll just marinate this and I'll have my lunch. Outside is good like that, but you know, it's cold outside. I'll show you what is the temperature today is, yeah, less than 20 degrees. That's cold for me. I mean, wearing ordinary t-shirt is not a good idea. But there are actually people who are swimming outside. Yeah, in the beach. I've been there this morning. I just marinate something that what I have in here. Black pepper. Chicken cubes. I'll just keep it here and I will cook it later. Yeah, I'm going to eat this now. My lunch. What I'm going to do